Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your domain into GHL Code Snippets Library. Okay, so first of all, once you're logged into your dashboard, you will land it on this page, and then from here, you need to click this domains tab. Okay, and it will show you if you already have the domain integrated, but if you don't have yet, then all you just need to click add button. Okay, just click here, add domain button, and this will open a pop-up like this. Okay, and then here you can put your domain name. Okay, so for this example, I am just going to add this domain. Okay, ghlmax.com. okay, and I click add domain, and this will actually add your domain into the platform. Okay, here you can see I have added the domain. So now how we can use this domain with our code snippets. So let me go back to the code snippets library, and from here you can select the code snippet that you want to use with the domain. Okay, so for example, let me show you one of them. So I'm going to create a new code snippets. Okay, so here in this website and funnel, I have the navigation menu, or we can create a nested column or any other code snippets available here. Okay, so just need to click add get code button, and then from here you will see the instruction how to implement this specific code snippet to your website. Okay, so here I have some instruction. So we need to complete this. Okay, setup, and once you're done, then all you just need to select a domain. Okay, so once you click here, it will show you the available domain you already integrated. Okay, so in this example, here is our domain ghlmax.com. Okay, so once I click the domain, then it will immediately show you the code. Okay, so it will generate the code automatically, and all you just need to copy the code snippet, okay, by clicking this button, or you can also click here copy secure code button, and then you can put it into your website where the domain is already connected. Okay, so without the domain the snippets will not work. Okay, so you must need to have a domain connected here. Okay, and you need to use the code into that specific domain. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope this actually helped. Thanks for again. Have a nice day.